Itura ria Icagai Makuyu gicigo mbunge kia Maragwa kaunti-ini ya Murang'a riturite riruri runene na kaingi mihang'o iria yuikaine guku ni ya urugi wa njohi cia ibango na igeria ria kunina unduire uyu rikoretwo rikiringa ihiga riria rimwe arugi a njohi njuru manatharikira wathani wa matura hamwe na borithi mena matharaita na hiu na migwi. Na thutha wa minyamariko ya ihinda iraya, muikari umwe mwena ucio ni araheanire mugunda wake na urakuo ceceni njeru ya borithi kuhitukira kigina kia NGCDF ya Maragwa. Mubunge Mary Waithera wa Maua akiuga ino ni tabarira ya ciringi mirioni 11 gwaka borithi ya kiriu.
Twina gikeno tondu ona barabara ino ndirahuthagirwo ni undu wa andu gukorwo makigua guoya tondu handu hothe haragikwo waganu wa muthemba tocio ona andu kunyitwo kia hinya na kuingirio githaka giki undu ucio no urathia na mbere. Kwoguo turi akenu muno hari thirikari ni undu wa gutuhe support ya gutuhe thigari muthenya wa umuthi nigetha tutigirire wananchi ni magia na confidence ati riu miaramano iria irendagwo ni yonekanite.
Ni ceceni ihinguritwo ni munini wa munene wa borithi Gilbert Masengeli uria wiranire guthie na mbere kugacirithio kwa uruti wira wa borithi akiorota maabitha borithi a hau gatene aria matigire wira na ni mareingirania na ciiko cia umaramari.
Every criminal, all those who are engaging into alterated illicit brew, those who are engaging in drug abuse. Murang'a is a county number 15 in illicit and alterated drug alcohol abuse. This is a generation that will be lost if we do not take out that alcoholism and drug abuse.
No areganite na uhoro ati borithi ni marahuthika uru kunyamaria ateti a mung'ethaniro na makiria arumiriri a Rigathi wa Gachagua ta uria kuonekire muthenya wa Kiumia mwena wa Kigumo Murang'a.
My call is that each and every Kenyan should confine within the rule of law. This law was made by Mwananchi through their representatives in the parliament. So, if there is anything, follow the channel of the law. As the National Police Service, we are looking forward to having an excellent policing operation services to the Mwananchi. Unlike those old days, you could hear of a police officer, you start running. You ask your colleague, why are you running? He says a police. Then you also join the run. No. Nowadays, police officers are our brothers, they are our friends, they are our families.
Wakiigua kamuhwa ngunyera niguo ngururirie na nguthiririe tondu gaka ni kanya kohoro kuma metumi ndigi magoro ritwa riakwa ni Sarah Wambui wa Mwangi.